Okay, today we're going to talk about how to ride a horse. First you're gonna mount it with your hands, nothing in your hands. So you're going to mount it. You see there is the red, the heart emojis popping up. Then you click on your inventory. It will bring the horse's inventory inside. Then you will see the horse's inventory. Then you can put it a shutter on to ride it around. If you jump normally, the horse will jump. If you hold it in, as you can see there, the blue, it's going to go up. So how long you hold it, how high. First like this. Okay. Wanna climb off, you just press the snake button. Then you can press the snake button to go in the horse's inventory. You are off. Go to the other horse, mount. There it is. There. As you can see there. So fast is the horse. Much faster. It sounds very high. Okay. Going to first one, not that one. Not that one. Black one, where it is there. Mount. Okay, where it is. The red heart. Inside with this. Thumbs high. Not so fast. So now I'm going to put some armor on. Some horse armor. If you don't know how it looks, yeah, it looks like this. Oh, yeah, it is. Right. There is fully armed. I have a fully armed horse. Put it right here. Right there. And there it is. How to tame a horse. How to tame a horse. Okay. Full tutorial done.